Yep, I'm gonna do ramen. Gotta make something from ramen. So I actually started on this months ago. I've tried a couple of different things. I tried using the cactus juice to stabilize the ramen and dyeing it. So I've got a green one here that's mostly the same color throughout. Looks like it missed a little bit here. Then I tried doing two colors, one on each side. I did red on one side, and then this ended up being like a muddy brown instead of a black, because for the black I use black and then all the extra stuff that I pour out, so it's all kinds of different colors in here. And then I've got just the plain ramen, of course. And I was trying to decide which one should I actually go with, because if I'm going to try it, I just want to try one, because, you know, this could turn into a giant mess. So I've gone ahead and made some molds. It's out of coroplast. If you don't know what that is, that's the stuff that, like, political signs that people put in their yards. That's what that stuff is. And it's just some packing tape holding it together. Fits nicely for these. I think I'm going to just show using the plain. Of course, it's going to go in here because I don't trust that this isn't going to leak a little. So I think I'm going to go with just the plain, mix it up with some different colors. I'm thinking blues and greens, and see how that works with it. And then if it looks like it comes out of the pot okay, the pressure pot, then I might go ahead and do one of these two. Probably the green, because the red one's kind of weird. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we've got these poured out of the container. Let's go ahead and mix these up. And then I think I'm going to start pouring from either corner and then kind of work my way in. I don't think this is going to be enough. I'm probably going to need the rest of that, but we'll see. Oh, it looks like I'm going to need a whole lot more than that. I shouldn't have adjusted that number. I ended up making half the amount that it said because I was thinking this was going to be quite a bit more solid than it is. I need to make up some more real quick. Alright, is that floating up? Quite a bit. Alright, I'm going to weight that down and we'll put it in the pressure pot. Alright, let's get the lid on. There's the results. That's the blue on the regular ramen. I also went ahead and did this. That's the green with some black in there. I'm going to try and pull this... Something fell. I'm going to try and pull this apart. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this off because I didn't coat it before I poured it. If I can't, I'll just take a bandsaw to it. We'll see what it looks like. I saved you the pain of having to watch me cut these blocks down. Yeah, it's a little crooked. Anyway, so here is the green and black one. And here is the, plain ramen and blue resin. Actually, we've got... So those are cut down. Just need to chop these to the correct size for the tube, and we'll go from there. Alright, I've finished prepping these blanks. The one for the Mesa style, and then the slimline. So let's go ahead and turn these, and make some pens out of ramen. So here we go. Here's the Mesa style. Yeah, I probably should have painted the tube, but I'm going to make it work with the green that's showing through. And then here's the slimline. I prefer this one. So if I do these again, I'm going to use just regular ramen and not the stabilized, because I like the results better. And it's a lot less work, which is always better. So let's go ahead and turn these into the pens. So, I guess you can make some pens out of ramen. I still prefer this. I'd probably go with a darker color instead of the light blue, maybe a darker blue or something else. This turned out okay. It's really unusual, to say the least. But anyway, it's ramen. Not many people can say they have a pen made out of ramen. So, thanks for watching, and until next time.